Honestly, you can say I'm crazy, but just give me 2 minutes. If I'm wrong, walk away laughing. But if I'm right, everything you've been taught is a lie. This is for entertainment purposes only. They told us the Earth is spinning at over 1,000 miles an hour, orbiting the Sun at 66,600 miles an hour, tilted at 23.4 degrees. Do the math. 90 minus 23.4 is 66.6. Still think that's a coincidence? Let's start with the basics. Water always finds its level. You've never seen curved water. Ever. So how can oceans cling to a spinning ball? Next, the horizon. Stand on a beach, a mountaintop, or watch a high altitude balloon footage. It's always flat and always at eye level. On a ball, that horizon should curve down. It never does. Now the math. According to Globe Science, Earth curves at 8 inches per mile squared. At 10 miles, the drop should be over 66.6 feet. But we can still see buildings, bridges, and islands that should be hundreds of feet below the curve. Flight paths? Flights in the southern hemisphere take wild detours that make no sense on a globe, but line up perfectly on a flat Earth map. Antarctica? Off limits since 1959. Over 50 nations signed the Antarctic Treaty, and they've all agreed no independent exploration. No questions. Countries that can't agree on anything agreed on that. Why? Because Antarctica isn't a continent. It's the ice wall holding the oceans in. And NASA? They admit every photo of Earth is CGI. One real full photo of Earth from space in 50 plus years. And in Hebrew, NASA means to deceive. That's not a coincidence either. Let's talk gravity. If gravity's so real, why can a helium balloon rise? Why do birds and bees fly with ease? How does water cling to a spinning ball but spill from a glass with a flick of your hand? This isn't about the shape of the Earth. It's about truth. Because if the Earth is flat and enclosed, then there's a creator. But if it's just a random spinning rock in a cold, dark universe, then you're an accident. You're nothing. And that's the lie. But here's the truth. You were made with purpose. You were not a mistake. And you were never supposed to question it. Until now. It's time to wake up. Earth is flat. And deep down, you already knew. Much love.